It's everything Simone, y'all. For cooking, beauty, reviews, and more. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul, and these items I picked up specifically for a teacher appreciation gift I want to do for my son's teachers. He has his main classroom teacher and an assistant and two other teachers that also help with him while he's at school. So I'm going to be trying to put together with these items I picked up little gift packets, okay? So his main teacher, his main classroom homeroom teacher, I'm going to be giving her something special, something different from the other three teachers because that's his homeroom teacher, okay? And yeah, so let's go ahead and look at what I picked up. I wasn't sure how I wanted to put the gift items together or like what items to get to begin with. So I just picked up random stuff. Okay, so the first bag right here, these are all some candy items that I'm gonna also put with his gift packet. All right, so I got some York peppermint patties right here, Snickers minis, and these are some Raisin chewy chocolate caramel covered chocolates. So this is a 25-pack loot bag. Okay, comes with the little ties right there. I got 4 of these, and these are all, what is this? I think it's a pencil holder. Yep, it's a pencil holder. I thought it was pretty cool, you know, so they can put their pencils and pens in here. I got 4 different colors, right? Okay, and I got some books, 4 different ones, and this is what's on the inside. They have like a little notepad here and another little tiny one on this side, and these might be little sticky notes, I'm not sure. I'm not going to open them to see what's in there. When they get it, they'll open it, but I think this is just a pretty cool idea. All of them are the same, okay, just different designs on the outside. So I got 4 of that. I got a ribbon, and in this one I was kind of shocked to get this at Dollar Tree, and it is $1.25. So it seemed as if they had a couple of them, and this was the very last one. I was trying to get some more, but yeah, I was just lucky to get this. So I think this would be pretty cool for his classroom, his homeroom teacher. She can leave this on her desk. It says this classroom runs on a caffeinated teacher, little sense of humor there, and love and laughter. She could flip it around. So that's going to be for his homeroom teacher. And what else did I get? Some more sticky notepads, another set of notepads. This only has 3, so for the other 3 teachers, each one will get 1. Pens, 1 each for the 4 teachers, and double-sided tapes. I can use it maybe to stick on, you know, however I'm going to display it in the bag. And these are some badge holders. Okay, so it's like 5 in here. I just really need 4. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I did separate the candy over here. It says in basically 4 groups of how the candy is going to be put in the packet, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting together. I started this one already. Okay, so I just used a double-sided tape that I have here, and I just stuck it right between here so these two can stick together. It's nothing fancy, it's just a thought of an appreciation for your teacher, your kid's teacher. I always say something is better than nothing, right? It doesn't have to be expensive or fancy. Just a nice little gift item. And so you want to get things that you know they will use. And candy, who doesn't like candy, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little square piece of, I have a poster board here that I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. I'm just gonna cut off a little square piece and put in the bag just to kind of stabilize it a bit. Okay guys, so I am going to go ahead and move the peppermint patty to one side because I'm actually trying to see if I can double tape, sorry, double side tape this to the back like that. If the double side tape doesn't work, I may have to just tape it too. Tape it here. The issue I'm having, I was trying to use double side tape, but it's not strong enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some packing tape that I have here. And just tape it to the back. I'm just gonna put it on the side though because I don't want it to destroy, like right here. I don't know if it will take the paint off. I hope not. So I'm just gonna go ahead. If you had a different way you guys would have done this, please let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, for future gift ideas. Okay. All right, so that's one gift down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other three, and these should be pretty easy because I'm not putting a lot in here. So here I'm all done. In all, I paid $25.18 for everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. And if you divide that into 4, that's basically going to be $6.29. I just rounded off to $6.30 each gift would cost. Okay, and I think this is a good idea, right? It's quick, easy, no fuss, no muss. And everything here, like I said, the teachers can use. If they're not going to use it, they can give it to their kids, grandkids, if they have grandkids. You know, everything here is usable items. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be doing a bunch of other topics on my channel as well. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, to hit that notification bell for any future content I'll be uploading, and to share it to anyone that you think will find it interesting. Alright guys, so thanks again for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like and share these videos, and to hit that bell